is Ed Renan with PRECO Electronics out of Boise, Idaho. What we're truly trying to do is educate the public on moving from a passive safety system to an active safety system. Most vehicles, trucks these days have a rear view camera, they have side view mirrors, but it takes the operator to take their eyes off the road to look at those. Whereas if you add an active component, which we do with the PRECO Preview Sentry radar detector, it actually informs the operator that, hey, there's something behind you or there's something on the side of your vehicle. Gives you an audible alert, then you can look at your camera and say, okay, I'm backing into something. If you don't see something, it's a good time to stop the truck, get out, take a look around. The Preview Sentry radar detector that we show here is completely configurable. It can be configured up to 26 feet wide, 98 feet deep. In most cases you won't need that. Typically it's about 10 by 15, 10 by 20. So when you're backing up, you'll see it's broken down into 5 standard increments. Again, similar to the automotive industry, they've had it figured out for years. We're just bringing it to the commercial side. We've also got the Side Defender, which is another radar product. The Preview Side Defender goes on the blind spot side of the vehicle, out about 10 feet. At speeds, it's about 18 to 20 feet forward of the sensor and back of the sensor. You're covering about a 40-foot blind spot on the side of the vehicle. Again, it provides you an audible display that goes on the A-pillar of the vehicle on the side that is. So the operator's already looking in that side view mirror. Out of their peripheral vision, they should be able to see an audible. As well on the Sentry here, we have the ability to also tie into a camera display where you can see the 5 zones are up here as an overlay on the right-hand side of the camera here. So you get an audible and you get a visual. All we're trying to do, again, is enhance the safety culture within the industry. If we can take that passive safety system, make it an active safety system, our customers are getting about an 80 to 85% reduction in their accident rates. Find out more at www.preco.com. Happy to answer any questions, shoot some emails.